Hello, it's Rebecca here from Precious Pages Papercraft. Today I'm designing a layout for Bramble Fox using items from the February Fox box and also some items from the store. And apologies, I've got laryngitis at the moment, so I can't really speak too well. Better today than I was yesterday, but still not great. So I'm probably going to leave you with some music for the most part of this video. But just quickly, I'm using the Lots of Love acrylic perspective piece from the February Fox box, along with some of the Love Heart sweets. Now I do forget to add those in during the video and have to add them, a couple of them, after I've stopped recording, but you will see them in the close-ups. I've also got lovely winter animals on the ice skates that I'm going to use a couple of. Now, I'm using a winter photo, but it's not of ice skating or anything, so I actually decided to try and alter these perspectives and chop the ice skates off so the animals just have little feet. It was actually really easy to do. Those ice skates came off nicely and didn't damage the rest of the perspective in any way. So you'll see I'm going to use a couple of those, and I'm also going to use some of the lovely mini heart perspectives. Excuse me. I'm using the January Hip Kit Club kits for this layout. I felt like the colours matched really well with the Love Heart perspectives and those winter animals. Lovely, bright and colourful, although almost like sort of powdery colours, which do remind me of Love Hearts. So I thought that went really well. But I'll leave you with some music for the rest of the video. I'm afraid talking is just not happening for me today. And I don't want to make myself any worse. So thank you very much for joining and watching along. Any questions? Appreciate I'm not here talking you through the process, so if you've got any questions, either pop them in the comments below or head over to the Bramble Fox Friends Facebook group and I can answer them there. But thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.